Some of it is relevant to my current role, like some of the vendors that were here. We met, we exchanged visit cards, and I think we're going to have a couple of meetings together just to understand whether we can do something together. Some of them have already been working with us for years, and I think it's time to maybe have that conversation again and see whether the technology has moved fast and further enough so that we can maybe do something. Yes, I think every time I come and participate in your events, I like the innovation part, because there is a lot of what is up and coming rather than a lot of what has been done in the past, or what wonderful things we are all doing. It's a lot of like, let's say, cutting edge technology that's being presented, that is being patented, or that is not yet on the market but is coming, and I find that's always very good. I never forget, I think it was in London, but there was a professor talking about all sorts of things. I found amazing, fascinating, the passion and the stuff he was, it wasn't just selling a product, he was talking about real science, and that's what I like. I'll give it a 9.